right, Linus. I shouldn't have picked this little tree. Everything I do turns into a disaster. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Sure, Charlie Brown. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday reset, happy Vlogmas day, whatever. So I'm doing a voiceover right now, the exact same day that y'all are gonna watch this video, and everyone is home, so I cannot guarantee that we are gonna maintain quietness. But as you can see, the house is an absolute disaster. The apartment, the house, whatever, same difference. If y'all been keeping up with the vlogs, you know I was gone all last week. You know that potentially my boyfriend started a new job last week, and we definitely are living like we are in a transitional state because everything is in absolute shambles. The floors are covered, the surfaces are covered, the dishes are full. It's just giving very much, we live in basically a two-parent household that has been reduced to a one-parent household. And at this time, my boyfriend and dog are out of town, but they are getting ready to return home in a little bit. So basically, I slept in because I've been exhausted doing Vlogmas, and you're about to just watch me try my hardest to get everything clean while timing myself. You'll see it in a little bit, but I've been setting 30-minute timer. So I set a 30-minute timer before y'all are seeing all this, and I'm trying to finish cleaning the room in 30 minutes, cleaning the kitchen in 30 minutes, the bathroom in 30 minutes, everything in 30 minutes. For some reason, doing that makes me just feel like I can go a little bit faster.
It drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. Girl, what is love? What's that? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to tell us how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the help. Oh, this shit don't add up. Oh, you don't even know the math. Yeah. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that. Oh, I'm sorry I said that. Change shit with my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
What is love? Girl, what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
Okay, so comment down below, what type of dishwashing girl are you? Like, do you load the dishwasher and just let that do all the work? Do you hand wash the dishes and hand dry them? Or do you hand wash the dishes and use the dishwasher as your drying rack. Personally, I feel like if I don't hand wash them, they're not clean, and I have an obsession with the water being super hot. So as you can see, I use my tea kettle to boil some water to add some extra hot water before I wash like the utensils and everything, because I just feel like that's the only way to guarantee that they're actually clean. And then of course it was unrealistic for me to finish doing the dishes in 30 minutes, so I set the timer again, and I still am gonna try to not let it go off again before I'm done with the kitchen. But the reality is the kitchen takes a minute, especially these dishes have been building up since I don't know when. I don't know how long the dishes have been sitting here actually, but I knocked it out. That's the only thing that matters.
Loyalty. Kung Fu Kenny now. My resume is real enough for 2 millenniums. A better way to make a way, start defending them. I meditate and moderate all of my wins again. I'm hanging on the fence again. I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. And ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. Be rolling with it at the right time, right now. Only for the dollar sign.
That girl, really now. Swear, even now. On your pulse, I can see the end. Guessing, like the premium. All lasting, long the fast lane, then it's dead. Looking for in the cash game. I'm established, on the carrots. On my name, with the atlas. I'm a natural, I'm a ring.
I'm a savage, I'm a plumber king. Shimmy out, right. You can tell your nigga he can meet me outside. You can maybe sit on when I leave around south. Ain't no one to love like the one I know. I done been down so long, lost so. I done came down so hard, I slow. I done sleep but have a holler real nigga won't.
I said I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
Loyalty. Tenfold, no switching sides. Feel something wrong. You act you should be. You don't buy when we no more. I need loyalty. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it money, is it fame, is it weed, is it drink? Is it coming down with the loud pipes in the rain? Big chillin' only for the power in your name. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it love for the streets when the lights get dark? Is it unconditional when the robbery don't start? Tell me when your loyalty is coming from the heart.
Tell me who you're loyal to. Do it stop with your woman or your man. Do it in with your family and friends. Or you loyal to yourself and your fans. I said, tell me who you're loyal to. Is it anybody that you alive for? Anybody you would slide for? Anybody you would die for?
That's what it counts
I said
for.
I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
Okay, y'all, so at this point, I'm really just trying to get it together. I don't know if y'all remember a couple days ago in the vlog after we had our date night at Moxie's, and then I gave Rocco that treat and he tore it up. Yeah, that was days ago. This same tore up treat has been sitting here. It's just been sitting here. So I just don't want them to come home to a dirty environment. I feel like it'll set the mood off right. Just being like clean, fresh air, smells good. You know, they say like, physical clutter is a reflection of mental clutter, and who wants to come home to that? So I'm just like, literally, it's at this point like 9 minutes and 30 seconds into the video, but I have been cleaning for hours at this point. But I was trying to move so fast, like y'all don't even know. Setting the timer really does help me kind of like stay accountable, because every time that alarm goes off, I'm like, okay, you done spent too long on this one thing, like pick up the pace. So starting on the bathroom. And y'all was so mad I actually threw away something in the bathroom that I needed. But anyway.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts till they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask and a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's lost in the watch. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Montage, so I'm always good where I'm at. Brother Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a grave.
Couple niggas kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas thinking small in the mall with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big temple. I got the hook up and it really no limit. Dead focus in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the yay. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucking chase, gang time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas snitching, so I gotta rebound it. A nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, man, I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like an artist. In the house, you could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me. Ross
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
Hi vlog, happy Vlogmas and happy Sunday reset. This is my first time talking to y'all since I started recording, but I was trying to do the dash before my boyfriend and Rocco got back so it could be clean because I showed y'all before and it was looking rough. So they just got here and I'm pretty much done with everything except for, y'all saw I washed the bedding, so I need to put the sheets back on the bed. I have a lot of laundry to do. And then I need to clean out the shower. And I want to mop the floors. I probably will vacuum the floors a little bit more too because I just kind of did like a rough vacuum, but we're taking an intermission. So it is 2:22 on Sunday, December 17th. And yeah, we're taking a pause. I really just took my hair down and this is how it was when I woke up without me adding any extra gel or anything to it. So it's not really blended, but I'm not mad at it. I'm about to eat and relax and probably edit and stuff for a little bit. And then we're gonna finish the rest of the cleaning tonight. And then my boyfriend just got back from Monroe and he brought some gumbo. That wasn't supposed to rhyme. So probably gonna eat some of that at some point today, but I think right now I'm gonna see if there's anything in the freezer that I can cook really quickly. So I'll show y'all something later, but for now we're taking a break. So I don't know what time we started. It'll be on the camera, like a timestamp. But yeah, about 2:22 and we're taking a break. I feel like this is more realistic for a Sunday reset because just like cleaning straight through all day. I mean, y'all might be able to do that, but I haven't eaten yet. So talk to you soon. Love you, bye.
I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel.
y'all, so as y'all can see, I made a quick little dinner. I accidentally made the broccolini too crispy, but personally I kind of like that. Next time I will make it a little bit more mutual for everybody. But as you can see, we have a special star guest on the channel today. Y'all, I was so tapped out, so exhausted from cleaning and everything. So he was like, do I need to make up the bed? Because there's no sheets on the bed. He was tired. So low-key, I played him. But he decided to make the bed up. Did y'all see him staring to the camera like a crazy person? You can tell when someone's not used to doing YouTube because they just be looking directly into the camera and it just be giving scary vibes. But anyway, this is my boyfriend making up our bed and putting on the duvet cover in his own very special way. But I'm not mad at it. I'm grateful that I didn't have to do it this time. So shout out to my mans for the help. And yeah, basically this is low-key the end of the night because he made up the bed. I came in and changed angles for the camera. It was giving very much lazy, very much please take over. And then I came in here messing with him, trying to fight him. And I put the throw blanket, and then I sat back on the couch and finished editing because, you know, Vlogmas is still very much in effect. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.